Okay, hi. What's up? Well, whatever. I don't have a good intro. Hi, ready now? I'm here again playing Haunted Memories. And so we're going to load. Load? Yes. Okay, so today I decided to play at night, which apparently was going to be a good and quiet time, but everybody in my house seems to be nocturnal. So much for that idea. So, recap, last time we only have one key. So, a key and Slender behind our bags. So, yeah, okay, so let's go. Yeah, so we have, let's see. We have 3 pages, a key that we have no idea what it is for, and batteries and a flashlight. Cool. Okay, so, well, actually, I was seeing, and it has section restriction B, A, and C. So maybe there's a way that we can come in over here somewhere in restriction A with a key. So if not that, then we're SOL. So let's go. Hopefully Thunder doesn't get us. So E. Oh my goodness. E. Let's go. Yeah, I was gonna start the game earlier, but for some reason my computer's been like really laggy, and like even like you can tell how laggy it is. So like I just decided to F it, do it, get it over with, run with shift. This is so much fun. I'm having so much fun lagging like an idiot. You saw that? It's fucking appeared out of nowhere. It's something that scared me a lot. I don't have to go. That was going to District C. So we don't have to go to District C. Let's go to A. Fuck. I can't breathe. Give me like goosebumps. Okay, here we are. So, here we are. I think this is it. Entrance. F. What's it? F? H? Alright. Oh, there it is. Not what that says. Doesn't say anything. E. Oh, come on. Sisters. I mean, key. H. Oh man, I hate you. Oh wow. Why was that red? Oh my goodness. Okay, so, yeah. Oh, that's not even the entrance, I think. I don't know. Oh! Fuck you. I guess stick around. What is this bolt? Where am I supposed to go? Laggy computer. Huh. What? Get him! Get him! Before Slender comes, you stupid dick. Oh my goodness, why? Oh gosh, that's scary. Huh. Oh! Oh, you saw him? Oh, you saw him? He could be in fucking nowhere. Oh, I don't want to go that way. Oh, he's there. Oh, maybe if I don't look at him, we're gonna walk that way. Not looking at him. He's right there. I don't know where I'm going. Oh gosh. I don't even know where I'm going anymore. Okay, I need to go this way. Right? Map. Map. I feel like freaking Dora. Yeah, okay, whatever. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, I hate him. Why does he hate me so much? Why? Oh, he just keeps on bringing me over here. I don't want to be here, Slender. I want to be somewhere else. You get the hell away from my path. What is it? You guys hear the footsteps? Oh, I hate you. Stop following me. Okay, so it's not distracted. F, maybe it's C. Maybe you have to go to C first and go backwards. Stop following me. It's like footsteps next to me. I'm fucking running. Lag. Fucking lag. Okay. So I guess it's still laggy. Okay, so A didn't work, and so I decided, hey, what if we have to go backwards instead of restriction section A? We go to C, and then B, and then A, I guess. So let's try here. Let's right here. E. It worked! Okay, let's go. Damn this lag. What the fuck? Bunker? Huh. Okay. 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 How the fuck do I go in? Oh, there's a hole right here. Silly goose. How did I not see this? Oh! Oh my goodness. Ah! Ew. Was he in here? I got the hiccups. Oh, come somewhere else and get hiccups somewhere else. Here, come and see this game so you can get scared and get rid of the hiccups. Oh, my nephew Ashton. Try not to. Oh, get in there.
Oh my god, that's a lot of hiccups.
Yep. Oh, my goodness. I know this is it. Oh, wow. Slender's gonna get me. He's like already here. I hate this game. Oh, is this another hole? Oh, another hole! Success. Man, I'm so scared. better. Oh! Safe spot! With batteries! Heck yeah! I think if you do this... Oh yeah, you dim the light so it lasts longer. Okay, so... Go here. Why is it a typewriter? E. Safe! Got it. Resume. Okay. Well, good. Well, good. Cool. Think here. Something here. This one is going. Oh, what is that? Can I get this? I can! What is that? What is that? What is going on? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my goodness, I'm so out of here! Oh gosh! I hate this game! The fuck? Oh my goodness, I'm running away! I'm running. No, get the. Oh my goodness! Oh, I can't run! Oh, it's a dead end! Oh, we're gonna save this one. I'm not making that noise. Oh, there's a note right there. Oh, I'm just gonna read it quickly. Oh, guess you can't fix it. Oh, that's a shit. I want to go see what's in here. Nothing. Oh my goodness! Okay. Pop out of here. Pop out. Fucking page. Saving it. Getting the fuck out. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Saving it. Oh, there's something here. E. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. E. Save. Yes. Oh, save. Resume. Fuck. Leaving right now. Leaving right now. Don't that way. Well. What the hell is that? Oh, nothing. Oh, God. Oh, how the fuck did I get out of here? Oh, I forgot. Was it through there? Before I came in? No, because I remember came this way. Well, whatever. Well, you know what? I'm gonna leave it there. I'll see you guys next time. And this is it. This is Gardina out. And you guys have fun sleeping tonight. Because I know I won't. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Squishy sounds.